What's good, guys? Welcome to another edition of Mama's Motivation. Of course, you know this is your boy Broly on it again. So, guys, today I'm going to be tutoring you guys on 4 different ways to earn passive income online. Each of these websites can earn you as much as $100. So, guys, if you are new to this channel, I believe this channel is going to be a channel to change your life and increase your passive income. So guys, if you're new to this channel, do make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so whenever we drop a new content, you'll be notified. So guys, without wasting your time, let's dive right in.
First app can earn you $90 a month. Second app can earn you $180 a month. Third app may earn you $600 a month. And if you combine all 4 apps, you can earn $100 a day. Also, I will show you my live withdrawal proof in this video, so stay tuned till the end. Starting with the first app on our list, on this app, you can earn passive income online by just sharing your internet. My last withdrawal from this app was $57.60. And you can see, this app has 4.5-star ratings on Trustpilot. Actually, all the 4 apps shown in this video has over 4.5-star rating on Trustpilot, which means these are the 4 legit apps to earn passive income online. Coming back to our first app, this app is available for any device that runs on Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, or Linux. If you scroll down a little bit, here you can see how much you can expect to earn in passive income by sharing your internet on this app. So, if you have only one IP address, you can earn up to $9.60. And if you have 10 IP address, you can earn up to $96 a month in pure passive income. Also, if you let this app run for 8 hours, you can earn $32 a month. If you let your internet connection run for 24 hours, you can earn up to $96 a month. And you don't actually need to use this app continuously for 24 hours. You can let it run in the background, and you will still be able to earn passive income with it. The only thing you need to keep in mind is to keep your internet turned on so that you can share more data with this app and can earn more money with it. So the name of this app is Pawns App. I will leave a link to this app in the description of this video. Pawns App is available in most countries around the world. As you can see, it has 4.5-star ratings on Trustpilot, so you can trust this app. You can use it on your computer device or you can install it on your mobile device. This app is trusted by big companies like Fox, MarketWatch, etc. And the Pawns app is built on 3 core pillars: security, safety, and privacy. So you don't need to worry about losing your personal information or anything like that. And the good thing is that you only need $5 to withdraw your earnings from this app. And you can withdraw your earnings through PayPal, Bitcoin cryptocurrency, or through many different virtual gift cards available on Pawns app by logging into my account. As you can see, I have earned $60 by just completing some simple surveys on Pawns app, and to withdraw this amount, I just need to click on Request Payout button right here. Then I need to select my country in this box, and I can select any of the payment methods available here. I can take this withdrawal to my Bitcoin wallet or to my PayPal account. Also, I have the option to take withdrawal in different gift cards available that you can see on the screen, like Visa gift card, Amazon gift card, and so on and so forth. But I just like the PayPal, so I am going with it. So as you can see, to take withdrawal from PayPal, I will be charged a fee of $2.40. And the final amount I will receive is $57.60. So I will just click on Withdraw button to proceed. Next, the Pawns app will send me one-time passcode to my registered email ID on Pawns app. So I just need to paste my OTP in this box, and I just need to click on Authenticate. And you can see, I have sent the withdrawal request. And after some time the Pawns app will send me this mail where I can take withdrawal by just pressing this redeem button. So once I press this redeem button, it will take me to this page where I need to press on this redeem button again. Then, I need to select my country here and just need to click on PayPal. Now, I need to type in my PayPal account email in this box and retype the same in the second box. After that, I just need to click on this transfer button. And as you can see, we are sending the money to your PayPal account. Your money will arrive shortly. So now, let me log into my PayPal account. And here is my payment from Pawns app, $57.60. Let me refresh this page for you so you don't think this is some kind of screenshot and all. And you can see my earnings again, so now you know that this is a legit website to make money by completing some simple surveys. So now, you have seen my withdrawal proof from this app. Now to earn passive income with this app, you just have to log into your account. you can see that I have earned over $3 by just sharing some GB of internet data, which you can earn by connecting your different devices from right-hand side. You can choose the device you want to connect, and after downloading the files to your device, you will start earning passive income by just sharing your internet data. If you want to earn even more money with spawnsapp, you can try the paid surveys on it. On average, you can earn up to $1 for each survey you complete. And if you complete 10 surveys in a day, you can earn up to $70 in a month, which, if combined with internet sharing, you will be earning $166 a month by putting little to no efforts. And if you join today, you will get $1 as a sign-up bonus. So click the first link in the description of this video and start earning passive income on spawnsapp. Now let's move to the second app on our list. And here also, you can earn passive income easily and effortlessly by just sharing your unused internet bandwidth. This app has got over 10,000 reviews on Trustpilot and has a 4.5-star ratings on it. And here you can estimate your earnings, so if you let this app run for 24 hours, you can earn over $180 a month. You can read more information on the official website of this app, but this app is also available worldwide, so you can use it from anywhere in the world and can start earning some passive income online. They do not compromise with your security, and you can always know exactly what your internet is used for. Now the name of this app is honeygain.com. The second link in the description of this video will take you to Honeygain official website. Honeygain is one of the best apps known for earning passive income by sharing your unused internet data, and it has 4.5 stars rating on Trustpilot from over 10,000 people around the world, so you can trust this app. Now, to earn passive income, click on the second link in the description, create an account on Honeygain, and log into it. You will get $5 sign-up bonus if you sign up using my link. Now this will be your dashboard, and to start earning passive income, you need to click on this download button drop-down menu and select your device to connect with Honeygain and share your internet data. So, if you are using laptop device, you can choose Windows, Mac OS, or Linux depending on your device. And if you are using mobile device, you can choose Android or iOS. Once you choose your device, a file will be downloaded to your device, which you can install and then log in using your Honeygain credentials. And you will start earning passive income depending on the amount of data you share, how many IP addresses you connect, and the country you are from. Now the bonus tip to earn 10% more money is to come over to the top of your dashboard and turn this button on. And you can see, if you register on Jump Task, you will get instant payouts. And for a limited time offer, you are also getting 10% more money as a bonus to register on Jump Task. So just click on Let's Start, and now, you need to create an account on Jump Task and paste your Jump Task ID in this box. And to register on Jump Task, you can either use Google or Facebook, or you can just connect your wallet with Jump Task to start earning 10% more passive income. And as you can see, there are hundreds of wallets that you can connect with Jump Task and start earning money. Now to withdraw your earnings from Honeygain, you need at least $20, and you can withdraw it to your PayPal account or using your Jump Task account through your cryptocurrency wallet.
Okay guys, so if you're finding this video helpful, do make sure to like and comment wherever you're watching this video. Smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell. I believe this channel is going to be a medium where you're going to learn a lot that might change your life, entire life forever.
Now the third app on our list is Repocket.co. On Repocket, you can also get paid for sharing your unused internet data. And as you can see, Repocket app has 4.3-star ratings on Trustpilot, which makes it trustworthy. Now on Repocket app, you can also estimate your earnings. So if you use one device, you can earn $60 a month. If you use 10 devices to share the internet, you can get $600 a month, which is really awesome. Repocket is also available worldwide, and you can earn money by sharing your internet data from anywhere in the world. You can use Repocket on Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and Linux. You can earn passive income for the internet data of Wi-Fi or your mobile phone with 3G, 4G, or 5G connections. And the good thing about this app is you can get $5 per referral once your referral completes their first withdrawal. So, if you refer someone and they earn on Repocket and completes their first withdrawal, you will get $5 for completely free. And once you install the app, you can let it run in the background and you will still keep earning passive income online. You will get $5 sign-up bonus for creating an account on Repocket. The minimum you need to earn is $20 before you can withdraw your earnings from Repocket. And you can withdraw your earnings to your PayPal account or to your Wise account. And to increase your earnings on this app, you can also complete different offers and easy tasks available on Repocket. Okay, so the fourth app on our list is Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin pays you to walk. It's a free app which rewards your daily steps, which you can later withdraw in the form of Sweatcoin cryptocurrency, or which you can spend on cool digital gadgets you like. Sweatcoin has 4.6-star rating on Trustpilot from over 5,000 reviews of people all around the world. Yes, Sweatcoin is available in most of the countries, so you can use it from anywhere in the world. Sweatcoin has over 120 million registered users. But don't worry, they keep 100% data privacy, and they do not sell your data. And all you need to earn passive income with Sweatcoin is to install the app on your device and register on it. Now, whenever you walk, you will earn points which you can convert into Sweatcoin cryptocurrencies. So, even if you walk from your bedroom to the dining hall, from kitchen to your room, you will earn money, which you can later spend on the gadgets you like. And, if you combine all 4 apps shown in this video, you can earn $100 a day in pure passive income. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.